welcome YouTubers.
Yeah.
We just hit 2,000 subscribers, and for that we're doing a fun little video. What are you doing, Eli? Me and Ann are going to do a Rubik's Cube challenge. We are going to start messing them up.
Yep.
Back up just a little bit, dude.
Yeah. You don't want to get hit.
And we're going to mess them up real good. If Anna wins, I have promised to let her in on a little Game of Thrones secret that she don't know about. Do you think you can win?
Yeah.
Eli, who are you rooting for?
For Anna.
You're rooting for
I
Anna?
love being the favorite sister. We got Cora behind me.
Cora, who are you rooting for? You're rooting for me. Alright,
Yeah.
we each got fans.
I'm his favorite sister. Ready? Eli.
Okay.
Who's your favorite sister?
He just said he was.
Okay.
Eli just said he was rooting for the TV.
Oh.
Yeah, logic at work.
Alright,
Oh,
you about ready?
Yep.
4-year-old
Okay.
blind.
Pop them up and go.
Which 52 is which?
4-year-old blind.
Which one is going to win?
That's the question we're all asking.
Jump, 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 jump.
Probably already beaten me.
No.
Which guys are you? That's Anna and your Uncle Mark.
Oh, really?
Wow, I'm going slow.
You're Anna and your Uncle Mark. And
Alright, how close are you,
and
Anna?
I'm Cora.
I'm afraid to look away. Where's that spot? Oh, there it is.
now you're on
Oh,
both.
you're already on the last step. Nice.
Now 17.
Okay, so I have lost.
Yeah, what's the secret?
Huh?
I have one. And if you are wondering, yes, I am magical.
You're magical, eh?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm still gonna solve it.
Okay,
Eli's.
Yeah. Oh, no, I dropped it.
Oh crap.
Hi.
As the outside.
It may be here for a while. Yeah, your seat.
Hello. I completed the feature.
What do you think you're doing? What are you doing, Eli?
It's the camera's pointing at me.
Yeah, I know, because I'm pointing it at you. It just has this dumb look.
Take a picture of me, cheese.
I'm taking a video of you. As you can see, there's Dad's guitar and my guitar. Just like, and then Eli
Yeah,
said,
there, I'm done.
"You're done."
I'm not
Yes.
even close.
I
Okay.
bet.
So that only took me like 20 minutes with kids running around.
No, it's only been 11 minutes since the video started. Okay. And it is
Okay.
being mixed up.
So Anna, you want to hear about that secret?
Yes, yes, please. I have
Okay.
no idea if this.
Where's the secret?
Okay.
Okay, the secret is, remember when you were doing lines for the musical tryouts?
Yeah.
We had that short little discussion about wouldn't it be cool if Game of Thrones had a musical?
Yeah.
Game of Thrones has a musical.
It does?
And we will be watching that video.
Yes.
I think you may enjoy it.
And now
Game of Thrones the
movie.
Your movie!
Your movie? I thought we were going to watch The Princess Bride.
I will watch my movies.
Okay.
Okay, so, well, that was the Rubik's Cube challenge, which I failed miserably at.
Well, you still solved it, which is
I'm,
it's a lot better than most people.
and
Still
I'm
solved.
still failing.
I think you've only managed to mix it up more.
So anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed that. That was fun. And just want to say thank you for the 2,000 subscribers. That's quite unbelievable, actually. So
Yeah. Without,
that's
without
awesome.
the 2,000 subscribers, I wouldn't be able to beat that. Well, I probably still would be able to beat him, but I wouldn't be able
Not
to
in
beat
front of
him
everybody,
in
though.
film.
Not in front of everybody, though.
Thank you.
Okay, well, we will see you guys for Game of Thrones musical shortly.